Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I am so excited. Happy mood te ase. Ki karne koile to ami lottery ekta logi na thakise. Itu ami la nami first olaise. Isur ke thanks dia ase. Ami ticket to 30 rupees per loise. Olebi I to la first prize to 5,000 thakise. Itu karne ami la khushi. So ke janai dia ase. Aro I hope you guys will enjoy watching my video and my vlogs. Today especially, what I'm going to show you all guys is how I used to work in my kitchen garden. Generous believers bishi thake, pastors khan pra neat kara, nohile pi lagya khan, sobji nohile to ki lagya sob ani de, na hudai every day. Tai khan ekjon pra nohile to ekjon pra inia ani kena ami khan ke de. Olebi ami papa tu khali tai khan diala khan hoi kena ami khan bi select nijor la hat prau lagena nijor la hard labor noile tu nijor la hat pra banai kena itu khai phalase kiteba believers khan ami khan ke no panchatam de ami itu lagena khai eto bra apni khan sab ke welcome karase ami kinya kam kare ami all apni khan ke dekhai dibo. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. See, before I start working, I will just like to show you my garden. This is my this is chili la ghas ase, marcha la ghas. Ro ami kara tu moina te ek bar to sapa kare. This is etu titakuti la ghas ase. Etu 2 sal hoise. Etu la tu lepi kite ami khabole mon thakibo etu lagena fresh khai na ini ase baharte pra nole to khiti pra ani gena khala aro bakante olai gena khala olop alag thake kile mani khiti pra ani se gole to 2-3 days nole to 4-5 days inya rakhi gena freshness na thaka hoi jay bolebi ami khan kitchen garden kara tu kite ami khan khabole mon thakibo jagena any itu hi ulai gena khai de. See, this is my kitchen garden. Kalakti, we used to call Kalakti in Simi, Makaina. Okay, ini ase. This is my garden. Kol la ghas na banana la ghas pe ami hali di gena ase. Ito sal jasal halala ase to. Banana farm korbo nishna ami sob la dise. Aro itu akhi. And then there is another garden. So you can see it. There is another garden. Skos la ghas pi yete ase. Ami nya kringen na thake. So guys, jitu ami itu party clean kobole ase, sapa kobole ase. Jo apni kan sabi ami kinia sapa kare itu side di. Aro yeah, as a human being, even single thaglebi or sati sida hoigena thaglebi ami khan work come to kri thagibo lage na. It's a basic things that we need to do every day in our daily life. So this generation youth come is jon kam koribole sorom khai aba chor korigena khabole sorom na khai etu ishna mane bishwas hai. Maybe what I want to encourage you guys is, why don't we work by ourselves? Why we always depend on others? I just wonder. So I'm encouraged kara to youth khan ke, especially youth khan ke encourage kara se. Choto moto hole bi apni khan la hat pra nole to apni khan kusna ulai gena itu kamai gena khalai mucha se de itu mucha se de ami khan kam na kari gena khado all satisfaction nai itu kani ami koboli man thaga to work and eat and enjoy your life ini ase to ami shuru korobo. Okay, so just like this, keep on watching. pastor come single life come specially inya thake bahala kampi tai khan kribo ami khan kribo chukala kampi ami khan kre. In other video I will try to show you how I used to cook by myself and then how I used to have it. So chili dia ha situ sabina see this pani gira la season ase to pani chili khan bi bishi bia ha ja ina mall dish gole to tai khan alop healthy hobo dai lagas koi sabe to next tare phale to khatam hoise aro ite iphale ahi jaise yeah see ayo rainy season ase kiman safa karle be pat ola jai to alpi khana we used to call alpi dukan bishu ola jai see machala kafi biya ase de. Actually, my name is Anato, working as youth pastor at Sataka Village Baptist Church. I'm so glad that my church members, believers are so good. They are so generous. Yeah, especially my youth. They are so active. And then they used to cooperate with me each and every time that I needed it. So, yeah, youth come. If you want to change the society, the community, if you want to change the world, it's not by your parents, or it's not by the children who are growing up right now. But I think it's the right time for us to change or reform or reconstruct the community. Youth only has the power to do that. So, Amila youth come. They are so dedicated. They are so humble. They are so cooperative, and then they used to cooperate with me, and then they used to do whatever I told them or I tell them to do. So I'm not worried about my ministry. Why? Because they are my backbone and they support me each and every moment. So I hope apni khan bhi youth khan etu video sakhan kote thakle bhi apna youth pastors, especially your youth pastors, ke janigen thakibo lage. You have to recognize your youth pastor, and then youth pastor should recognize their youth. It is palace to take us in our society to change. आज ये तो preaching करना है ना तो. Okay, so let me finish these things working. Single life taga to phala sidi mucha sidi ami kan khabole man thakle to banai kena khabo मन ना थकले तो इन्हीं ना खाएंगे ना भी घुमाई जाए इतने ऐसे लेकिन या single life ही भावा से कोई ना suggest करे why because ini kami kan habis saya itu family life hot cete family setting hot cete kami kan baca karni maki karni nole tu mota karni angwani na father in law mother in law brother in law sisters in law itu kan karni kami kan kita lagi sih atau kumsena patna ada kampi kita man bisa buat deh kampi tu itulah satu aja kena terona boleh nak pakai sedih It's not an easy task. See, it's not an easy task. কোনোবাত ভাবি থাকে নাই এইটোখন কামটো মাকিলা আছে মাকি কৰিব লাগে মাকিলা কামে আছে মই কাম কি কৰিব কৈ না না আমাৰখন কৈ থাকে এইখন আহি কিনে কৰি দিব এইখনে বনাই দিব মই কৈ থাকোঁ বুলি কৈ আমি তাইখনকে ৰখাই দিয়ে নাই একো নহয় এটাতো আমি লেজাৰ টাইম ঠিক কৰি ল'ব এইটোখন আপুনি বনাই কিনে কৰি দিছে ক'লেতো আমি এইখন কি কৰিব তো মোবাইল আছে দেই So, my work is done. Come khatam hoise. Sorry, pusna. Manu laisu. I'm so tired. Sorry, khatam hoise ami lakam. So, how do it looks? I think not phalto hoise na. So, salute. So, this is the end of my video. Today's vlog. Angela vlog today. So I hope you have enjoyed watching my video. Please keep supporting me. Thank you all. Thank you and see you on next video.